Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to stop your iPhone battery from draining too fast. Put your likes, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's go! So, in order to improve battery performance, we need to go to Settings. After that, scroll down and click General and click Background App Refresh. After that, click here and turn off this setting. Now go back, scroll down again here and click Privacy and Security. And here you must scroll to the very bottom and click Location Services. After that, scroll very down and click System Services. After that, scroll down again and you must turn off these three settings. And that's all. These settings don't help your phone in any way, but at the same time waste battery life. And go to third setting. Go back and click Siri and search. And you must turn off Siri. And that's all. This is very easy ways to save your battery. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.